Alright! Alright, sa mga nasa table 3. Alright, ipata po ninyo, parating na po.
Sisig sa table 5.
Okay na ba? Okay na? Ay! Still can hear the whisper of the summer nights. Hey, they goes in the corners of my heart. The night is through when waiting for the desert rain. All the words we meant to say, all the chances stripped away, still remains on the road to undo. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Those summer nights when we were young, we brag of things but never thought we were dreamers. Only dreamers.
Ang cute.
Moments pass and time moves soon. Wherever words remain for just as long as the dreamers. Only dreamers on desert moon. On desert moon.
Ang landi.
On desert moon. Desert moon. Yes, alright, thank you so much guys. Once again, this is DJ Loloy, ang pabansang Gwina Pilipinas from 107.3 Sikat Magsaysay FM, yung disaster monitoring radio sa lungsod sa Magsaysay na mag-iiwan po sa inyo ng isang kasabihang, don't face your problem if your problem is your face. And this program is brought to you by PH Care, ugaliin ang paghuhugas kung laging ginagamit ang iyong butas.
Kaya naman pala, pamilyar na pamilyar sa Davao pala siya eh.
Ganun ba? Oy, Lolo. Oy, thank you. Ang galing-galing mo naman.
Salamat po, Mami Cheat, sa inyo pong napakagandang screen, sa inyong napakagandang stage dito po sa inyong live. Magandang gabi po sa lahat po ng mga Suki Loves po na nandito po sa inyo nagsusupport. And good evening po. At maraming salamat ulit po sa inyong lahat sa pagpaka.
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you, anak. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Balik ka lang dito, ha? Bye-bye. Love. Baba kita? Okay, sige. Bye-bye. Love. Oh, ang cute.